I like the bike helmet. Comes in a number of colors. Check online for further detail. It's round. It's got 4 breathable holes on top and 8 on the back. It's got a white rim. It's got a nice strap in brown, and it's got an adjustable knob in the back. You basically place it on your head, and you have a belt clip that snaps together. Just like this, nice and easy. And it's adjustable all over. This is a removable cushion, and it's nice and tight and fits exactly where it's supposed to be, nice and tight on your chin. You don't want to be able to pull it off. You want it to be nice and tight. It goes around your ear comfortable, and in the back you simply give a couple of twists to it's tight, pushes against you, and the helmet's on. The bike helmet. It's nice in design, not just for biking, for hiking, camping, surfing, paddleboard, scooters, and more. If you're looking for a helmet to protect your head for biking, this is a helmet you may be after. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.